What's up, guys? It's me again, and I'm doing another air burping challenge recommended by the same guy. He told me he's going to get his friends to subscribe to me, and he actually did. So I got 22 subscribers. Oh, excuse me. And that is a lot of subscribers for someone like me. And yeah, so he now 15 minutes ago recommended me to do how many small air burps can I do in 1 minute? Could you stop?
Just whistling.
And I'm going to do that challenge. Jerk. And yeah, we'll see how far we could get. So once the timer hits 50 seconds, I'm going to see how many small burps I could do. Come on. Come on. So far I'm at 26. Okay, 40 small burps I could do in 1 minute. And yeah. Okay, and yeah, that was it. I hope you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you for telling your friends to subscribe to me. Whoever recommended me do challenge. Thank you so much. I'm adding you to the Love Garden in Minecraft. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.